Discuss a current trend in education and your thoughts on it.
One trend I've noticed recently is the implementation of more technology in the classroom and the use of Google in particular. Teachers have the capability to create a class where each student has their own Google account. The students can then use Google Drive, which is an online document sharing program. Students can begin work at school on a school computer and then log in at home and continue working. Teachers can view the students' documents and watch them update in real time. I personally love the idea of using this in the classroom because it makes communication between students and teachers more accessible.
Discuss a time that you worked with a team. What kind of issues arose and how did you deal with them?
As a member of a sorority, I frequently have the opportunity to work with a team. I've collaborated with small groups of 2 or 3 all the way up to large groups of 50 plus people. It seems as though it doesn't matter how many people you're working with, the exact same problem arises. Everyone wants their ideas to be heard and everyone seems to panic when that need isn't immediately met. I have found that the best way to handle this kind of conflict is to assure everyone that their voice will be heard and have a talking stick for group discussions where you can only talk when you're holding the stick. I know it seems elementary, but it really seems to work in groups of all sizes and helps members of the group develop a mutual respect for one another and what they have to say.
A student makes an inappropriate comment on one of your social media sites. What would you do?
I personally keep my social media under lock and key and have the highest level of privacy settings turned on, so hopefully I would never be put in a position where I had a student making inappropriate comments or comments at all on a page of mine. However, I would document the comment, remove it from my page, and then consult with my school's administration team to come up with a solution based on their policies before I confronted that student or that student's parents.